Hi, have you met Brian Friedman yet? I know I haven't, but I wouldn't try this. Judge Lehman responds to this order and he just slaps her down.
Are you going to sue Blake Lively too?
Into oblivion.
In a world where sometimes people judge you before they give you a chance.
Ryan Friedman just delivered a career-ending blow to Blake Lively and Ryan Reynolds with a single lawsuit. Yes, you heard that right. The Hollywood golden couple could be watching their empire crumble. And the man behind it all, none other than powerhouse attorney Brian Friedman, known for turning legal battles into total annihilation. Let's rewind. It all began when Blake Lively accused Justin Baldoni of sexual harassment, a scandal that sent shockwaves through Hollywood. Now, with Friedman in the mix, this isn't just a slap on the wrist, it's a full-blown takedown.
Actress Blake Lively is accusing co-star and director Justin Baldoni of harassment and a smear campaign stemming from their work together on the summer movie It Ends With Us.
But Blake Lively had no idea what was coming. The legal battle that followed quickly spiraled into a nightmare for her and her husband, Ryan Reynolds. One lawsuit turned into another, and before they knew it, the tables had flipped. Justin Baldoni's legal team wasn't about to sit back and take the hit. His lead counsel, Brian Friedman, reportedly told him, sit back, relax, and watch me handle this. And from that moment, the game changed. With Friedman at the helm, counter lawsuits started rolling in like a tidal wave, and suddenly, Blake and Ryan weren't looking so confident anymore. Now let's talk about Brian Friedman. This man is a beast in the courtroom, feared for his cutthroat, no-nonsense approach. The way Justin was being treated didn't sit right with him, and like a true legal boogeyman, he stepped in, ready to dismantle everything in his path. He allegedly advised Baldoni to hit Blake and Ryan with a staggering $400 million lawsuit for defamation and extortion, turning the scandal into a full-scale war.
Actor-director Justin Baldoni is now suing his former co-star Blake Lively and her husband Ryan Reynolds, seeking more than $400 million in damages, accusing them of defamation and extortion.
And it gets even juicier. Brian reportedly vowed to sue Blake into complete and utter oblivion. Oh, and he wasn't just throwing empty threats around, he meant every single word. Now, Blake, she's definitely feeling the pressure, and it's starting to show.
Going to sue Blake Lively too?
Into oblivion.
And it didn't stop there. Oh no, not at all. He wasn't just going after the Hollywood couple. He set his sights on everyone involved in tarnishing his client's name. No one was safe. The New York Times? Boom lawsuit. Journalists, media outlets, even so-called insiders spreading rumors he was coming for them all.
Justin Baldoni suing the New York Times for an article reporting Blake Lively's claims that he directed a smear campaign against her during the press campaign. Baldoni's lawsuit calling the article rife with inaccuracies, misrepresentations, and omissions, relying on Lively's, quote, self-serving narrative.
BL's PR team, yep, they've got one too, and they're working hard behind the scenes to shape the narrative, control the damage, and make sure their image stays spotless. From crafting statements to handling media inquiries, they're always on call, ensuring every move aligns with the brand's vision.
You are about to file a lawsuit against Blake's publicist, Leslie Sloan. Are we correct? And if so, is it a similar allegation to the New York Times case?
She'll definitely be sued. There's no question about that. It's just a matter of when and for what. And whether she's included with others or not. And frankly, I'm not prepared to give up our legal strength.
Just when you think things couldn't get any wilder, let's talk about what went down in court on February 3rd. Mark that date because that's when Blake's nerves completely gave out. She was so shaken up that she actually begged the court to let her choose who would depose her. Excuse me, who does she think she is? Special privileges don't fly in Brian's courtroom. And guess what? The court flat out rejected her plea without a second thought. It was a dramatic moment that left everyone in shock.
Counsel for Miss Lively has made it clear that Miss Lively does not want Mr. Friedman to be the attorney who takes her deposition. Essentially, the judge agreed and told her lawyer that she does not get to choose who deposes her.
The fact that she even tried this stunt speaks volumes. It's clear she's absolutely terrified. But the drama doesn't stop there because this lawsuit is wreaking havoc on their brand's reputation. Blake Lively's once popular hair care line didn't just take a hit, it completely vanished into thin air, seemingly overnight. Fans were left wondering what happened, while insiders whispered about the financial fallout. Once a staple in the beauty industry, her brand is now a cautionary tale. The legal chaos has sent shockwaves through the business world, leaving everyone questioning what's next for her empire.
Allegedly, Target has claimed customers are returning Blake Lively's hair care line, Blake Brown, in droves. So they are pulling all of her merchandise off their shelves because they are losing profit.
It seems the public no longer sees her as a wholesome Hollywood darling, but rather as a calculating power player willing to do whatever it takes to bring someone down. And let's not forget Ryan, he's definitely feeling the pressure too. Rumors are swirling that Ryan Reynolds has been quietly dropped from Marvel Studios, and the reason? Allegedly, it all ties back to this lawsuit. Word on the street is that Ryan made some off-color jokes about Justin Baldoni, and Brian Friedman wasn't having it. Marvel, recognizing how serious Brian was, quickly distanced themselves from Ryan to avoid any controversy tarnishing their billion-dollar franchise. And just like that, a lawsuit is putting careers in jeopardy. Things escalated in court when Blake's legal team attempted a maneuver. They requested an extension until March 5th, claiming they were too busy handling a separate 10-page lawsuit filed by Jed Wallace in Texas. At first, this might have seemed like a minor delay, but
One of those intended parties, Jed Wallace, along with his company Street Relations, filed an anticipatory and meritless 10-page complaint in the federal district court in Texas regarding issues that substantially overlap with the issues in this litigation.
But Brian saw right through their deception. He boldly called them out in front of the entire courtroom, exposing the truth for everyone to hear. The so-called urgent case was nothing more than a lawsuit that Blake herself had quietly filed on the 21st of January. Jed Wallace, on the other hand, had done nothing more than respond to the suit in due time. Ryan's revelations sent shockwaves through the courtroom, leaving everyone stunned. The judge, clearly unimpressed by the manipulation, took a long pause before addressing the blatant attempt to mislead the court.
What Lively parties conspicuously failed to mention is that the now pending litigation in Texas was precipitated by Miss Lively, who initiated legal action against Mr. Wallace in Texas state court on January 21st, approximately 2 weeks before he filed his federal lawsuit.
Nothing gets past Brian Friedman. The courtroom fell into stunned silence as he exposed the deception. The judge, clearly unimpressed by the blatant attempt to mislead the court, refused to grant them any extra time. Instead of the extension they desperately sought, he issued a firm ruling just 1 day to submit their amendment. Gasps rippled through the room as the weight of the decision sank in. Lawyers exchanged nervous glances, realizing they had underestimated both Friedman's sharp instincts and the judge's intolerance for dishonesty. The case had taken an unexpected turn, leaving the opposition scrambling to recover.
Anyways, Judge Lehman responds to this order and he just slaps her down. I don't know what else to say. Probably because he probably doesn't take kind to just being manipulated. You know, you should have been like, I want an extension because I don't have any proof.
At this point, everyone is whispering the same thing. ***, Brian Friedman is not to be messed with. ***, and the internet. Oh, they're eating this up. Social media is buzzing with takes on the case, and let's just say Brian has ***, a lot *** of fans right now. One user wrote, **Brian doesn't lose. Blake should have laid low. They got greedy and tried to exploit an artist who helps the deaf and disabled. Another chimed in. This lawyer doesn't mess around, he's here with facts. And my personal favorite, this guy is about to sue everyone and their moms. LMAO. But let's pause for a second. Co is Brian Friedman really? This man isn't your average Hollywood lawyer. He's an aggressive, no BS attorney who thrives in high-stakes battles. In the world of entertainment law, he's like a hired assassin, swift, brutal, and always aiming for the kill shot. He never hesitates to go after those who wrong his clients. And right now, Blake Lively, Ryan Reynolds, and even Taylor Swift are in his crosshairs. Yep. You heard that right, Taylor is apparently tangled up in this mess too. But we'll save that for another day. One thing is certain. This case isn't just a courtroom battle, it's a Hollywood reckoning . If things keep going this way, we might be witnessing the downfall of one of Tinseltown's most beloved couples. Blake and Ryan, once Hollywood's golden pair, could soon find themselves shunned no brand deals, no film contracts, and no allies left. Meanwhile, Ryan Friedman? He's sitting back, watching it all unfold just like he said he would. And don't think this is over. Brian is still in the building. And if the rumors are true, more celebrities could be going down real soon. So make sure to subscribe and stay updated. See you in the next video.